key, matric number 186563.
Okay, my name is Ahmad Muzani Biaman Nazri. My matrix number 189014.
Okay, this is Mazin Hamza with matric number 191287.
I'm Muhammad Nazrin bin Muhammad Hashim, matrix number 189206.
Today we are going to present about smoke precipitators and electrostatic air cleaning. So, what is smoke precipitators and electrostatic air cleaning? An electrostatic precipitator is an filtration device that removes fine particles like dust or smoke from flowing into the gas using the force of an induced electrostatic charge, mainly impeding the flow of the gases through the unit. So how does a smoke precipitator work? First of all, we have our gas, it's uncharged. Then it will go through a negatively charged metal mesh. This metal mesh is negatively charged with this high voltage power supply. It's connected to its negative. So once the gas flows from here, it will be from an uncharged to a negative charged gas. Then it will be, the charge will go through this positively charged smoke, through this positively charged cylinder, and it will stick to it due to its charge, that the smoke is negative, it will stick to the cylinder. And that's it for me.
I will continue on the slide. What it means is where is the electrostatic started to happen? The picture just now. Okay. Where the electrostatic happens? We can see that if the smoke particles uncharged went to the negative charge metal mesh, the electrode negative charge will goes to the smoke, and when it goes to the positive, the negative charge of the smoke will attract to the positive mesh, which is the electrostatic started there. Okay, next. What are the relationship? The electrostatic smoke precipitators works by forcing the thin fuel gas. This means it will pass through two electrodes, electrical terminals. The first electrode is charged to very high negative voltage. As the dirt particles move past it and pick up the negative charge. Next, there is second electrode constituting the metal plates be charged to high positive, which is it will attract the negative charge of the smoke. Next, like I said, the negative charge particles are attracted to the positively charged plates and stick there. From time to time, the collective plates, which is the positive plate, need to shake it up so that it can be done repeatedly. That's all for me. Next. Okay. These are the quite basic example of the smoke precipitators, which is when the smoke came by to the vessel, it will attract the negative charge, and the negative charge will attract it to the positive plate and will come out with the clean air. Okay, that's all.
Okay, so next we will go through the advantages of the smoke precipitators and air cleaning. Okay, so first the advantages is the system has a very low maintenance, and the system is created to last permanently, which means we don't need to change it frequently, as it will be used permanently. Next, the system has a relatively high efficiency on particles such as mist, smoke, and fume. Okay. Next, the system has more energy saving compared to other type of air cleaning system. And lastly, the system has a more clean and environmentally friendly to us. So, electrostatic air cleaner are a good choice for an industry places or home where the air is heavily polluted and dust is spread all over the air. This also will not remove it, but however, it will not remove all the minuscule particles, but the one that are creating the major problem to people's lungs will be removed by the system. And lastly, in large industrial rooms, emitted zone is spread fast, and the level of ozone will not go above recommended level. So this means the system is very good for health. I think that's all for me. I will pass to the next.
Okay, now we want to talk about the conclusion and summary for all what we have talked about. The first thing, what is the smoke precipitative and electrostatic air cleaning? Number two, what is the electric air cleaner? We said that device that use an electric charge to remove certain either solid particles or liquid droplets from air or other gases in the smokiness and other fluids. Number three, we have talked about how does it work. We said forcing dirt flow gas pass to electrodes. First electron charge very high negative voltage. So the first one, the first electrons charge negative voltage, and the second one shares the high positive voltage. The first one is negative and the second one is positive voltage. And so unlike my friend Murzani explained. Number four, we talk about the relationship between smoke precipitator and electrostatic. Last thing, we talk about its advantage. We say low maintenance, energy savings, environmentally effective. Okay, thank you very much, and this is group one, and thank you very much.